Momotaro's SNS adventure. Once upon a time, there was a young man Momotaro who lived on a small island. He was an influencer who used his favorite social media to spread his lifestyle. Momotaro's followers are increasing, and his posts have influenced many people. One day, he found a rumor in his feed that villains living in a place called Onijima were stealing food and resources from the village. Momotaro was not satisfied with just sharing this information and decided to take action on his own. "It can't go on like this. If we all join forces, we should be able to defeat the villains." Momotaro raised his tension and asked his followers for help. And in response to his call, super followers of dogs, monkeys, and pheasants gathered. They participated in Momotaro's adventure with the #DemonExtermination. The way Momotaro heads towards Onijima while distributing videos is a viral hit in an instant. Many people sent messages of support and decided to stand up to evil together. Momotaro and the others, who arrived at Onijima, made full use of the wisdom gained on SNS and the power of their friends. They confronted the demons, sometimes humorously, sometimes boldly. In the end, the demons were unexpectedly suspended and quickly surrendered. Momotaro and the others, who returned to the village, safely regained their wealth and peace. Momotaro shared with his followers that he exterminated evil with good heart, giving hope to more people. And his adventure was passed down as Momotaro in the SNS era. The end.